Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I got a new lens protector for my Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's supposed to not cover up any of the camera lens. So we're going to be taking a look at it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's do a quick unboxing to see what you get for this screen protector. So this is transparent, thank goodness, real glass, perfect adhesive, and a surface hardness of 9H. This pack comes with 2 protectors and a cleaning cloth and, hello kitty, and dust removal sticker. Hopefully that'll work on cat hair. All right, let's go ahead and clean the back of the camera lens here. If you have a Galaxy S20 Ultra, I'm sure you're aware on the forums of the glass breaking, and so there's been a few cases of that. Not sure what's going on, but it scares a lot of people, so that is why I'm going to be trying one of these camera screen protectors here. So we're going to go ahead and apply this right now. All right, what I like to do, whoa, T-Rex time. Hey T-Rex, we were just about to apply the camera lens protector. What I always like to do when I'm applying a lens protector or a screen protector is kind of do a dry run just to see how everything is going. So this has 2 little handles right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this part off and then lay it right on top of there. All right, I just finished installing the lens protector on there, and it takes a little bit to adjust it, but I think you'll be okay. But what I did notice, and it does come with 2, but what I did notice is that this is a glass right here. I thought that this was going to be clear when I bought that, but that is a glass right here. So I thought that was going to be open. Anyway, I'm going to put that on one of my older phones right here, and we're going to see how tough that is. Let's see if it takes scratches. So we're going to go ahead and doesn't look like it's holding up pretty good. I don't see any scratches right here. Let me zoom in on there. So it looks like it's doing a good job. Let's do hammer time. All right. I tell you, this is holding up a little bit better than the other lens protector I had on here before. So let's give her a good whack. All right, finally we got a little bit of breakage going on here. All right, let's wipe that off there a little bit. But that held up pretty good. I was giving her some good whacks there. All right, let's take that off. And you can see there's a lot of shards of glass right in here. There's no way I'm going to do this on my Galaxy S20 Ultra, but on this old Sprint phone, it did not leave any marks. So the lens protector did a good job in protecting this lens. So far I'm pretty pleased on how that held up. And whoa, T-Rex! Hey T-Rex, what do you think about this cool lens protector here? I'm going to be taking some tests this week on the camera to see if this affects the photo quality. And just knowing that the camera protector has a little bit of extra strength just in case something happens kind of gives me a little peace of mind. So hey, make sure you check out my other videos on here. I have a link down below where you can find this on Amazon. And like always, have a fun day. Adios, bye-bye. He's got my lines memorized.